Alright, in the last lecture you were introduced to set, a different kind of data types, okay, and some of the operations that are possible that can be done with set. Now let's move further. So now two new set object is created. Say for example, A was Japan, Korea and China, and B was US, UK, Korea and 10. Okay, and I have created a copy of the first set. Now let's take a look at some other methods that can be used, okay, using set. Say for example, if I write like this way, C dot update B. So this was shown in the last one. Now let's take it again. So if I perform this update operation, okay, so when I perform this update operation, the elements, the items that are available in B will be added to our original set, that is C. Okay, so original set was mutated, modified. But if I perform like this way, say for example, A dot union B, okay, keep an eye on this data variable explorer. As you can see, I get the items, okay, all the items that are B are now added in our original set A. But take a look, our original set A and B, none of them are mutated. Okay, so that means that when you perform this union operation, it provides it does the task, it provides this output, but it does not change the original list. Okay, so this was the different update. Then sorry, so this was update and this was union. Okay, it is the union of two set object, but the difference is that don't mutate. So this does not mutate our original set, but when you perform this update operation, it mutates our set. Okay, so I hope you got the idea. Now let's move a little bit further. So this was the union operation. Now what if I want to see the common elements between these two, our first two objects A and B? So this is called the intersection operation. So A dot intersection B. Okay, so A dot intersection B, if I write like this way, so it will provide the common element between these two, that is the Korea was common between these two set object, and none of the set was mutated, none of our object was mutated. Okay, so this is the intersection operation. Okay, so let's write it here again. Now we found that is intersection. Okay, now move a little bit further. So what if I want to find the difference operation? Okay, so if I write like this way, A dot difference B, as you can see, China and Japan. So the difference of operation is, if you remember from the Venn diagram, okay, difference operation is the elements that are available in A will remain here, but the elements that are in B, so all of those things will be removed. So it is like A slash B. Okay, so the common elements that are common between these two sets, that will be removed. Only the elements that are not present in B will be available in the output. So this is the difference operation. As you can see, in Japan, Korea, China, Korea was available in set B. So now we have only these two elements, Japan and China. Okay, so this is the difference operation. Okay, let's come here. Okay, so this is the difference operation. Now one thing that we can do here, so as you can see in this intersection, if you check this this here, you can see after the intersection there is something that is called intersection update. Okay, then difference update. So what does that mean? Let's take a look. I perform this operation, A dot intersection update. Now, okay, The difference between these two is that previously our original set, that was A, the set on which we are performing this method, was not changed. But when you use this operation, intersection update, as you can see, if you look at here, our original set will be mutated. As you can see now, only the intersection item is remaining here. Okay, so if you write like this way, intersection this, then update, then our original set will be mutated. Okay, so this is two operations. Okay, this is the same thing, intersection update. Okay, the first one does not mutate, the second one mutates. Same goes for difference as well. Okay, so this way, so sorry, okay, so this kind of set actually provides both kind of operation, one to mutate our original set, one not to mutate our original set. So when you have when you want to do operations like this way, finding the common elements or finding the elements that are present and not present, this kind of thing, this set actually makes it much more flexible compared to a list or tuple. Okay, you can also try to actually try to see some of the other options that are available here as well. I think you can do it by yourself. Okay, so let's finish it here.